should still be pretty
There he is, there he is, there he is.
Oh, yeah. Get him. Got him. Look, watch out. Break these
Nope, you're good. I don't care if it breaks. I want this fish in the boat.
Okay, let me get over there. We can go down there with that. Put my mouth in the video. Just keep him up there. I'm gonna sneak under you and get this rod.
Oh yeah, he's fighting way harder than the last one. Alright, Tavis again, back, take a step back. There you go, right there, that's good right there.
Tavis, the only reason I'm taking this out is in case he swims over this.
Ooh, look at that hog on top of the water.
Nice fish.
That's a good fish, brother. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Bigger than the last one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Keep him coming, keep him coming.
He heard me talking about freshening up the bait.
That's probably that one that just hit Joe there.
Probably. He's like, oh, this tastes better.
Alright.
Just keep him right there.
Lift him up.
Lift up.
Well, I can't see anything yet. Trying.
Oh, I'm trying to keep it out of that line.
Yep. Pull it back this way, pull it back this way.
It's alright, Tavis.
Yeah, pull it back.
Here, I'm gonna try to come around you here.
I didn't get that one reeled up in time. Pick that pig up. Pick that pig up. Pick that pig up.
Back up a little bit, Tavis. I know you're trying.
Yep, you're good.
Keep coming up. Uh-oh, he's trying to get in this log. There you go, yep, get him back that way. He's coming up, he's coming up.
He's coming, you got him.
He's hooked good.
Almost there.
Get him.
In the net. Yeah, that's 25, 28. Oh,
Holy smokes.
there's a good one. There's a good one, young man.
Oh, Chris just whacked me in the forehead. No, I'm joking.
That's a good fish right there.
Holy smokes.
But we gotta quit telling you to grab the fish.
Yeah, right.
Next one, I'm pushing him over and reeling it in.
Where's the
We want pliers.
Here, let me get those out first.
I took the last one off for y'all. I ain't doing that again.
I got it. I got you. Grab the corner of that mouth. Chris has pliers if you need them.
Got it. There should be pliers right
You
there.
got it. Drop it over the edge of the boat. Get all that hook and everything away from your legs so you don't get hooked. You're all right.
That's a good fish. He's gonna go 20, 24.
I'm gonna say.
Ow.
Ooh, I don't know. I just saw the mouth flop open.
I was just locking him.
Gun bottom. Yep. Locking that bottom there.
There you go, dude. Oh, let me get my camera.
Smokes.
Let me get my camera.
This is my new personal best.
Oh, yeah.
On blue. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna switch the grip real quick.
Oh, yeah, it gets kind of awkward when it's like that. Yeah. He looks like he's been on nets.
Come on, man.
I watched, that's funny, I watched a video of dude this morning, got tagged between your legs and he went to his knees, fish flopped up. You need help?
Nope, got it.
Sure.
Yeah, I might need a little bit of help. I'm not trying to step all in your
You
head.
want him around this way?
Good looking little fish.
I'll wait till Chris gets there. Hold on. There you go.
They always curl the tail towards you. Doesn't matter what you're doing. Big old cheesy smiles. All right. Joe, you want to get in here?
Yeah, let me get back here, Tavis, so I can get that sun out of the background. Oh, there we go. We're good. Let's Chris get away.
I got a bunch of them. Tears are out to zeros. Get right in there. Right there.
Oh, not as big as we thought.
Oh, 19. Oh, went to 21 for a second.
Still nice tails.
Oh yeah.
19.22.
All right.
Picture. I thought she was a little bigger. She's been on nest. Look at her.
Oh yeah.
Grab those. Yeah, she's fat. The other one was skinny.
Dump her back. You know how to do it.
There you go. so in about a half hour, that fish will be through the boat.
Yeah, right?
Dude, I didn't say it that far. He just peeled out. He took off with it, just going downstream. That's all right. Tail slap. Oh, nice. Good towards me. Keep up with him. Keep up with him. Whenever you're getting close, swim it upriver. Take a step to the left. Oh, he's under the boat. I got caught up in there. Almost fucked that up. Nice. In the net. Oh, crap.
He's really dead. By far.
Coming in. Wow. Oh, man.
That's water, shallow water.
Wow.
That's that head.
Yep. All right, give me some slack here.
We got caught up in them over there.
That's a beast right there. That's a fish. I'm gonna this
Dude, I made a couple 30.
Yeah, I think you did. Yeah, I believe you did. Oh, it's not recording. No, I'm kidding.
I don't care at this point. You get a good picture of it.
Yeah, fat head. Look at that fat head. I'm not even talking about Joe's fat head.
Oh, dude, he's barely hooked. He's barely hooked through the skin in the mouth.
Really?
I need pliers, though. Oh, God, he didn't come off.
Yeah. So, good strategy.
Barely in the skin.
We'll put him on grips, but don't hang him by the grips. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just use it to
Support him.
We'll get a weight in the net. Actually, let's get a weight before you even do that.
Oh, crap. Good stuff, Joe.
I was the one crying an hour ago.
Oh, you were ready to quit. You were ready to quit over that damn wind. And I was like, is this my crybaby buddy here?
This is. Thanks, Chris. I want to take a picture of that.
Oh, 30. Still. Lock. It just won't fucking lock. No, it won't lock. It's on lock, but it's got to hold still. Good fish, though. Tell me when it locks.
Box.
It locked?
37.20.
Did it lock?
Nope. Oh, whoa. 39. I think it's 39 pounds. It won't lock.
It's not locking, but
It went up. It stopped right at 38.9.
okay, let's get him. Trying to get him. It has to.
Sit still for a minute.
Won't lock.
Right at 38 pounds.
Minus the net. Here,
Yeah.
Tavis,
Yes.
grab hold of this side.
Uh-huh.
And we're gonna ready lift.
It's not locking.
Let me make sure it's on right. It's on.
That's my personal best out of Hoover.
Oh, yeah, dude. Solid.
This guy who wanted to give up a little bit ago.
Hey, I might have also suggested tying to the log. I don't know.
Alright, let's try this again. This thing will quit. Lock.
Yeah. 37.14.
Oh, crap. How much does that weigh?
I don't. If it was under 2.
It was under 2 pounds. He's right around 35.
Oh, that was the other net that was under 2. This one
Oh.
might be.
He's over 30.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's 35 plus. All right. So now if you get the grips.
I got him.
Ooh, holy crap.
Good. Don't let all this weight supported by the.
Yeah.
You don't want to turn those the other way around.
I was just trying to get him to quit death rolling.
Got that alligator in him.
Yeah. Oh, so they get a
You're
picture.
gonna have to hold him for a minute, but I had to, so. I got freaking slimy on your
I'm
damn
gonna have
fish.
Chris take that picture.
Shake him a little bit. Put him on the ground. Do the pay like pose.
Like, somebody get out of here.
Go ahead, on your knees, kind of behind him. I want to try and keep the trees and stuff out of the. Should get you in there, huh? Not just the fish. Good fish, Joe.
Holy crap.
Hold him up in front of the camera.
Obviously,
real
send
quick.
them to me when you get a chance.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna get my hand under his belly and support him.
Holy
That's a big one. That's a.
All right, let's get you back, girl.
They're not moving. Trouble back here. Oh, there you go. There you go. Get him. Get him. Get him, Joe.
Get him.
On that hour.
There he is.
Got him.
Yeah, one of my right. Reel it in.
They're not all going to be that big, Joe.
I know.
Alright, I'm going to try and get.
Running at us.
I'm going to try and get this one out. Out of the way, out of the way. Hopefully they don't see us. That's a good fish.
Oh, yeah.
Look at him.
Still tender.
Good fish, Joe.
Give you some sag here.
About that.
Thanks, Tavis. Let some line out of here and I'll get that hook up.
Okay. I can't do it all for you.
Long fish, dude. That's probably a fish Ohio.
It probably is.
That's what I like.
Do we want to get a measurement on him to see?
Okay. I mean, we know that big one was, but
What are you thinking? Another 13, 14?
probably. That's what I'm gonna say. 13, 14. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this on too. Try to get you to get a.
What's that?
Oh, no, I was gonna turn my phone on for Tavis here.
Get some pictures in a minute here.
That fish kind of just laid there.
Yeah. That fish what?
Just kind of came in.
Are you saying it's too easy, Joe? That didn't even make him
Get
fucking
it?
smile. Oh God, that's foul as hell.
Nice.
Hold on, I want to hold it. Oh God, you don't want to walk into that fucking dust cloud or you wet there.
Try to get it down here where they can't see back there.
Downward angle. You should see this angle of taking the picture of this. Beautiful. Let's get a weight on him.
Stick it up,
Now you gotta catch him again.
buddy. Right. That thing tried to bite me. No, I'm just. He's biting me. No. Sorry, don't lay it. The cup's guard up, he is.
Yeah.
Definitely spawning.
Woo!
Hold up, come on.
Little walk. 15.82.
15.82. Want to get a picture?
Yeah.
The scale?
Oh, he's. Look at his. Well, you can't. His other side.
Scratched up.
Oh yeah, he's been battling, or she. It's smallmouth. It's a she, right?
Yeah, smallmouth sheep.
Got you. I know. I just watched that video.
Here, let's get a length. Get a length and. Oh shit! He got his dick in his hand and you're catching it. Oh, that's gonna go on YouTube. Got it?
No.
Got it? How's she feel? I ain't seen no big tail slap yet, so.
That's funny.
Joe,
There you go, start taking.
Trade your places there. How's she feel? This be our 5-fish limit. This be a 5-fish limit right there. Damn dink.
I'll take it.
Yeah. Yep, that dink's better than, you know, that little 6-7 pound dink. The little ones talk more.
We'll talk to you. You know it's on YouTube, right?
Yeah, I know.
I yelled. He's got his dick in his hand. He's not fishing.
You might have to edit that part.
You know what? I don't care.
Oh no. He went through the fish and into the net. Don't you fuck me on bear looking like now I can get down there and do work. We messed up our hour mark.
Right.
She? That's
She.
a little she. She girl. Oh, damn. That's probably her first year spawning. Simmer down. Simmer down.
Really not worried about a weight on you, girl.
I am.
Quick photo.
I am. I want to wait.
Come on, open your mouth for me, girl.
That's what she said. Oh damn, Tavis, he's getting more than you. You gotta start shoulder checking him. Yeah, that's a good little fish right there. Hold it down. Try not to get the background.
Like I said, it's gonna be on the video anyhow.
Yeah, I don't care.
Let's see what she.
No, I mean the
Oh,
fish.
yeah.
Where we're fishing.
Alright, I'm gonna finish taking my lead.
You didn't have to stop on our account.
You should have said something really funny on video, like he peed on his shirt. No, I'm just 836.
Take a picture of that.
No,
That puts us over 80 pounds.
you know what I'm thinking. We'd have been back here Saturday.
Oh yeah. But who knows where we'd have been up here.
True.
That was rough conditions.
Who knows if we'd have died trying to get back here.
Might not be here today. Yeah, I mean that's getting up 80 pounds.
Yeah. Oh, Joe! Holy crap!
Well, hell.
Got him?
These other poles are over far enough. Oh no, he's already upstream. Shit, he's already in the cover.
Oh, this one's snagged. This might be a little better fish. Can you get around that other rod?
He's already in.
Are you getting close?
No, not yet.
Damn, Joe's catching all the fish. Alright, Joe, whenever you can, does Joe.
He's not a tank like a third tank, but he's better than the last
That's oh, yep, you got the other line.
Yeah. He swims straight upstream.
Yeah, that's about 10 pounds heavier than the last one, so that's 10 pound
Deal.
upgrade.
Wow. Yeah, that's a decent fish. See what I can do here.
You can do it. Except for those herpes on his nipples. can you hold this right here? Yeah. There it goes. Okay, coming out, coming out. Wait, coming out. There, got him unhooked. Release out of him.
That line will be stale.
This out of the way, yeah. Yeah, out of the way. Feels good. Feels good. Nope, gotta get my camera out here somewhere.
Tavis mine's right here. My pocket. I want one on there too. 10-12.
Oh, well, there's an option here, Chip.
That's a good one. Oh. There we go.
Hold on for the camera.
See that? That's fish.
All right, scale, Chris.
Yep. We're going to.
I'm gonna go, dude. This
Think
is
he's
better than I thought it
17?
was. I'm gonna say
He's long.
21.
21? I was thinking 17, but he did seem to have some weight when I pulled him in.
Did them last couple of them not fought?
Really?
Get your camera ready. Oh, Joe.